In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your Prestashop in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right into it and make sure your online store is running efficiently and smoothly. First things first, begin by accessing your shop admin login. To do this, simply navigate to your shop's admin URL using the domain of your shop, followed by a slash and admin. This will take you to the dedicated login page that allows you to manage your store. Once you are on that page, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Enter your registered email and the corresponding password. Make sure you're using the correct combination of credentials to avoid any login frustrations. If you're finding it tricky to remember your password, it might be helpful to use a password manager for future ease. After entering your details, you'll see the login button. Simply click on login. This step might seem straightforward, but it's crucial as it grants you access to the back office of your Prestashop. Once logged in, you should automatically be redirected to your Prestashop back office dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you can oversee and manage the various aspects of your online store. Now let's move on to the optimization part. Look for the settings tab once you're in the dashboard. Clicking on settings will provide you with a range of options that control the functionality and performance of your store. Inside the settings menu, locate and click on advanced parameters. This section encompasses various tools and functionalities essential for optimizing the technical aspects of your shop. Within advanced parameters, find the performance option. Clicking on performance will open up a section dedicated to enhancing the speed and efficiency of your Prestashop site. As you look through the performance settings, keep an eye out for the image optimization feature. If this option is available in your setup, make sure to turn it on. This feature helps significantly by compressing images, which reduces load time without compromising the quality of the images, making sure your website looks great and loads quickly. Next up, you'll want to enable all options related to Smart Cache or CCC, which is Combine, Compress, and Cache. These settings are vital as they reduce the size of your files and ensure they are delivered faster to visitors. Enabling Smart Cache can be a game changer for boosting your site's speed and overall performance. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you not only enhance your Prestashop's speed, but also provide a smoother and faster experience for your customers. This quick optimization can make a significant difference in your site's performance, ensuring your visitors enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Thank you for watching and happy selling.